everyone! I'm so excited to share today's creature with you. Meet the California spiny lobster. Welcome back! My name is Andy and I work here at the Central Coast Aquarium, helping take care of the animals and teach all of you all about them. We're really excited to be making these videos in collaboration with the San Luis Obispo County Public Libraries, bringing all of our favorite critters right into your home. Today we're going to talk about a very important critter in California's oceans, and something you might find right off the coast of Avila, the California spiny lobster. Let's take a closer look. Spiny lobsters are a kind of invertebrate, meaning they don't have a backbone or internal skeleton. Instead, they have other hardened body parts that help protect them. Do you remember some of the hard body parts on other invertebrate animals from our other videos? Lobsters are decapods, meaning they have 10 walking legs that they use to scuttle along the ocean floor. Their carapace, the hardened backplate of their exoskeleton, is covered in spiky projections. This helps deter hungry predators. They use their large tails to swim backwards when they need to get away quickly. Here we have some old exoskeletons of lobsters. We call these molts. As the lobster grows, its exoskeleton gets too small. Kind of like when your feet grow and then your shoes feel too small. The only course of action is to grow a new exoskeleton. So lobsters will shed or molt the old one. They'll often hide until the new one hardens. Spiny lobsters don't have claws, unlike other lobsters found in the Atlantic Ocean. They also have 2 pairs of antennae, so that's 4 antennae total. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The smaller ones are used for searching for and sensing their food, or other lobsters. The larger ones are used for protection, and can be used to generate a vibration, which creates a buzzing sound that hopefully scares a predator away from the lobster. Spiny lobsters are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. And that's part of why our lobster is being so shy today. However, you can still see lobsters during the day. They like to hide up in rock crevices, but their big, long antennae are often seen poking out from between the rocks. If their shelters in the rocks are large enough, adult lobsters will even share their shelters with other lobsters. They're what we call gregarious, which means they like to gather with others of their same species. At night, lobsters crawl across the sea floor in search of food. They like to eat things like mussels, clams, and other invertebrates. Lobsters are also a type of scavenger, which means they like to eat dead plant and animal material. So lobsters are a great recycler in the food web. However, lobsters have very small home ranges, which means they don't travel very far each day or night. They like to return back to the very same spot where they slept in the day before. Most lobsters are found in kelp beds or rocky reefs shallower than 200 feet. Pretty easy to see while snorkeling or diving. You may have seen lobster on the menu before, or even tried it yourself. In California, many people like to catch lobsters to eat them, and this species can grow very old and very large, up to 3 feet in length. But to make sure there's plenty of space for lobsters to stay safe from hungry humans, scientists and wildlife managers have helped to create some rules for lobster divers and fishers. There are limits to the size and number of lobsters you can collect with a fishing license, and there are many places called marine protected areas which prohibit lobster fishing or diving. These regulations make sure that lobsters can grow old enough to reproduce and that we maintain a healthy population of lobsters and avoid disrupting the marine food web, of which they are an important part. We hope you learned something new and interesting about our spiny little friends, and that you love lobsters as much as we do. Until next time, have a great day.